Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Thank you for coming back to watch this video, and if you're new here, you are also very much welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I'll be showing you how I do my tea rinse to minimize shedding. This recipe is really amazing. I'll talk more about it in the video, but first let's make our tea. So you would either need a green tea or a black tea. I am using a green tea because green tea has less caffeine to compared to black tea. So it's up to you. If you want to use a black tea, you can, but I would advise don't leave your tea bag in the water for too long, just because black teas are stronger. So you will need just a bag and some boiling water. As for measurement, you should know me already. I really don't work with measurement. I just use what I know will be enough for my hair. So you could use the size of a normal mug, a mug cup you would use to have your cup of tea. So this is about a cup of tea in here. So I'll leave this to just sit in the water for about 40 minutes to an hour, after which I will transfer into a spray bottle. If you are using black tea, please do not leave more than 10 minutes, just because, like I said, it's stronger and I'm not sure if excess caffeine is good for the hair. So in case I look all over the place and I look kind of anyhow, it's because I've just filmed a video where I did a clay hair mask. So this is like a continuation of that video, but then I didn't want the video to be so long, so I did them into two parts. So like the title said, I'll be showing you how I do the tea treatment if you're experiencing shedding. And I have mentioned, I think in a previous video, that my hair is acting up, I'm experiencing shedding, so I do this treatment together with the Bentonite clay treatment, just to stop my hair from shedding. So I do the two, like I said, I do the two together because I feel like it works really well together. So you can actually watch the Bentonite clay video as well when you finish watching this one, and yeah, so that you can do the treatment together. What I usually do is I start with the freshly washed hair, which is what I've got here, and then I will do the tea treatment, and then I'll go ahead and usually when you do the tea treatment, you leave it in your hair for 20 to 30 minutes. So while I'm waiting for it to sit in my hair, I'll use that time to detangle my hair using my conditioner. And today I'll be using the OGX hair conditioner to detangle my hair and condition my hair as well. So yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so we'll start with here. So basically what I do is just get my bottle and I just keep spraying this all over the hair, making sure that everywhere is saturated with the content. Let's talk about the benefit of this tea to the hair, but first let's understand why our hair shed, or why we experience hair loss. So basically hair loss is caused by an androgen which is called DHT. So the full meaning of DHT is dihydrotestosterone, and what this DHT does is it shrinks the hair follicles, which actually causes the hair to fall off or stops your hair from growing completely. And even when your hair starts to grow, if the DHT is still very much active on your hair starts to grow out really thin and looking lifeless, so it's really not healthy. So what this tea does is, because of the caffeine in the tea, it actually blocks the DHT and stops the DHT from being active. So if your hair was shedding before and you use the caffeine tea, it stops that and your hair starts to grow back. And even when it starts to grow back, it grows back looking healthier and even helps your hair grow faster. This is one treatment I know is very active. So this is something that I know, yes, if you're experiencing shedding, please use this recipe. I promise you, you won't regret it. And how I do this is just the way I'm showing you. I just make my tea, spray it all over my hair, and then I use my fingers to just massage my scalp, because we're treating the scalp, not the hair itself. And then you're supposed to allow it sit on your hair for half an hour. What I'm doing here is I am using that time to condition my hair and detangle my hair. Usually I would do this in the shower, but obviously for the sake of this video I am doing this here. This took me about 45 minutes, so that has actually even exceeded the time I'm supposed to allow the tea sit in my hair, after which I will go and rinse out my hair.
I was probably too drunk, it's blurry, but I've got the image of you running circles in my mind right now. And it could fade away, but it probably won't, and I should let it be.
Okay, I know it looks like I am using all my strength to detangle my hair. No, I'm not. This video is actually fast forwarded like 4 times, which is why it looks like I'm using all my strength, but I'm not. I promise I'm actually very gentle with my hair. So after I finished detangling, I went ahead and I washed my hair, and this is what my hair looks like. My hair feels really soft. So I did this treatment for a period of 3 weeks, doing it once a week for 3 weeks, and by the end of the 2nd week my hair had stopped shedding. So the normal hair I will lose when I do my detangle will be what I have lost, no excess shedding at all, and my hair feels really soft, looks really healthy, feels really healthy as well. So I promise you this treatment works. If you're experiencing shedding, try this. If you know anyone experiencing shedding, share this video with them, share my channel with them, tell them I've got tips that will help them on their hair journey. And I hope to see you in my next one. And if you haven't subscribed, please do that before you go. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.